Starting this edition with some breaking news that's coming in, and this is in regard with the monsoon session of the parliament that will begin at 11 a.m. We learned that the opposition will be staging a protest, and this is going to be over Election Commission's special intensive revision list. Today, the protest is going to be held by the Indi bloc at Makardwar at 10:30 a.m., just half an hour before the parliament commences. The stalemate continues, and the opposition is looking forward to corner the government over the SIR issue. Remember, there have been quite a lot of delays. Business hours and question hours have been suspended after there was huge ruckus, sloganeering from the opposition side, where they cornered the government over the Election Commission's SIR process. The government is stern on their stand. They say that this is not a topic, issue that should be discussed in the parliament because the jurisdiction of the case lies in sole and only ambit of the Election Commission, and that the government cannot do anything about it. Harsha, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast on that. Harsha, same day, same story. The opposition is looking forward to corner the government over the SIR issue. What else are we learning on the case?
So, Tanisha, you see second week of the monsoon session, and this week also went just like that in the protest and in the adjournments. If you see, the second week was working, but only for 2 days when there was a debate on Operation Sindoor. Apart from this, the first week of the monsoon session, the second week of the monsoon session, today there's Friday, tomorrow again there's 2 days of the parliament. The third week will begin from Monday. But in these 2 weeks, apart from Operation Sindoor, there have been no discussion in the parliament. Why? Because of the opposition party leaders. They have been first protesting and staging protests every day at parliament at the Makardwar, and after that they do the same thing, disruption inside the house in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which leads to again and simultaneously again and again adjournment in both houses of the parliament in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And that is the reason why government also has been stating that it is the opposition because of which the business of the house is not able to run. You imagine there from 11 to 12 there is a question hour in both houses of the parliament in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The ministers have to respond to the several questions which are raised by member of parliament, which comes from their constituencies and regarding the ministry, what work has been done by ministers. But this question hour session also doesn't go smoothly because of the ruckus and disruption. Whenever any minister starts speaking, the opposition starts using placard and sloganeering inside the house, SIR, discussion on SIR, outside and inside both. And that is the reason why the business is not being able to run, and government has continuously been stating to the opposition party that it is not the prerogative of the house to discuss the Election Commission's role. Back to you.
Right, Harsha, thank you very much. Keeping a very close watch on how the parliament proceedings pan out to be today. With that